Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best iPad mini 6 cases 2021 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The iPad mini 6 has been overhauled and is now available. If you're planning to pick one up or have already ordered one, you'll need a case. A nice case will go a long way in making your iPad mini 6 the greatest iPad it can be, whether you want a lot of protection, a case with a stand, or something clear to show off your lovely new iPad mini. Accidental drops, knocks, and shocks happen all the time, after all. With that in mind, we've put together a list of the finest iPad mini 6 cases to offer optimum protection while keeping you on top of your game wherever you go. I have prepared this video, guys, for the best iPad mini 6 cases 2021, so let's get started. 5:Pro Case iPad mini 6 case. The trifold front cover accommodates your various demands with dual standing positions for viewing and typing. The viewing position allows you to do other things with your hands while avoiding joint pain, whereas the typing angle allows you to type or draw easily. The wireless charging and attaching capability of the Apple Pencil 2nd generation is supported. It is possible to charge the pencil without having to remove the casing. All features are fully accessible thanks to precise cuts, buttons, speakers, cameras. Your iPad is well protected all around. With the case simply snap on and off, you may use the auto sleep/wake feature. Simple to use and saves energy. The translucent frosted back cover keeps your iPad's original look and charm while also protecting it from fingerprints and scratches. 4:SoC new 6th Gen case. Only compatible with the Apple new iPad mini 6th generation 8.3-inch 2021 model. iPad mini 1/2/3/4/5 are not compatible. Compatible with the magnetic attachment of the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, as well as wireless charging on the side. Hold your Apple Pencil firmly in your hand. The tablet is supported by a trifold stand that is stable. There are 2 orientations available for reading, viewing, typing, or making video calls. The perfect cutout and design of this iPad mini 6 case provide for easy access to all connections, sensors, speakers, and cameras. 3. ESR Magnetic Case. ESR Magnetic Case is a simple, elegant, and thin case that magnetically connects to your device. As a result, it is safe and secure. It contains an automatic wake and sleep button, which means your iPad sleeps when the lid is closed and wakes up when the lid is opened. A 2-position stand is also included for improved viewing, writing, and watching modes. This compact, lightweight, and inexpensive case protects the front and back of your phone, includes sleep/wake functions, and acts as a stand. It uses strong magnets to keep your iPad mini 6 in place, and the Apple Pencil can still connect to the iPad to charge without issue. 2:MOCO Case Fit. The MOCO Case Fit is extremely light, sleek, and beautiful. Its scratch-resistant surface, combined with the anti-fingerprint feature, sets it apart. Furthermore, the built-in magnetic strip on MOCO Case Fit's robust outer leather facilitates auto turn-on/off, extending battery life. Its high-quality TPU back cover safeguards your device against drops, shocks, and scratches. For improved viewing and watching experiences, it comes with 2 convenient angles and stand settings. A strong magnetic connection aids in the creation of a stable tablet viewing stand. There are 2 angles to choose from to meet your viewing or typing needs, avoid joint pain and free up your hands for other things to do. 1:Spigen rugged armor. When it comes to manufacturing high-quality gadget cases, Spigen has long been in the industry standard. And this iPad mini 6 case is no different. The iPad mini 6 case features a tough armor style that provides great durability and protection. However, the corporation is fashion conscious, and the case has been styled to meet the appealing profile necessary in 2021. It ensures that you can show off your new iPad mini 6 from all sides, and that the Apple logo on the rear is always visible. While the case may add some weight to your iPad mini 6, it compensates for this by having a lightweight frame and still providing shock-absorbing technology. If you want, you can even use a magnet to attach your Apple Pencil. A must-have for people who wish to keep their iPad mini 6 safe while also looking fashionable. So guys, this was the video about the best iPad mini 6 cases 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.